The trifecta is finally complete. Welcome back, guys. Hope you're having an amazing Thursday. Hope your week is going great. Hope you are having an awesome week and you're looking after yourselves. But today, as you heard, rightfully so, the trifecta is complete. And now let's go and check this sneaker out because I'm excited to show you this one. So welcome back, guys. Hope you're all having a great week. As I said, this is a hat trick. This is 3 wins out of 3s. This is a trifecta. This is a much needed sneaker in the collection. But before we go and look at the sneaker, please do like, follow, subscribe, come and chat to me. Let's have a conversation. Let's break it down because you know what, guys, this sneaker is pure beautiful. This sneaker fits into the pack really well. And the sneaker we're going to look at today is Hey Shebang. Presto, guys, look at this. This is the Air Trainer 1 Honeydew. Absolutely gorgeous. So as you can tell from the B-roll, this is beautiful, absolutely gorgeous, absolutely amazing. I'm gonna say this, I always say this is absolutely gorgeous, guys. And it goes back in the pack 3 out of 3 with the corianders, with the light smoke grays, and this is the honeydew. This is the pure perfection honey that comes from the nectar of that tree, the nectar from the bee's nest, anything you want honey wise, absolutely gorgeous. But before we look at the sneaker, let's go and look at the box. And hey shebang, as you can see, like everything else, this is the black box with the black Nike tick. Absolutely beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. And as you can see, it has Nike on every panel. Nike there, Nike there, Nike there, Nike on the top there, and then does it have Nike on the side? Yes, just a tiny Nike on the side at the top there. It's Nike all over, and it's got that Nike writing at the bottom with that white writing all the way through, as you can see. And on the box label, it should say Air Trainer 1 SP. I call it the tribal pack. This is the SP pack, the special pack. This is an Air Trainer 1 SP light smoke grey honeydew, and that light smoke grey is all over the sneaker. This was confused for the light smoke greys initially, but the dark smoke greys and the light smoke greys, you can call them one or the other, but I call the black variation of this the dark smoke greys. This is the honeydews, and this is absolutely dripping with honey. Trust me, guys, this is a gorgeous sneaker. But the box itself should say DH7 338002. That's the code on the box, and basically my size 10. And I'm just gonna say this, I walked into size and picked this up 4 p.m. everything was sitting. And guys, I don't know why people are sitting on the tribal SP Air Trainer 1s or all the Air Trainer 1s, because in a couple of years when we look back, these sneakers are going to be very admired. Trust me when I say this, trust me when I say this. But inside the box you normally get this normal Nike paper with Nike all over it. As you can see, I'm gonna try and take this out. Last time I showed this, you couldn't see the Nike on this, but inside the box there's no quality check codes or anything like that, but you do get Nike all over this. As you can see, hopefully you can see this, guys, it's got Nike all over this, like Nike tick all over this. But that is the paper that comes with this. That is the box. Now let's check this sneaker out, guys. It's sneaker time, so hey presto shebang. This is the Air Trainer 1 Honeydew, and honeydew being the optimum word here because that sweet nectar, that delicious pinpoint beautiful natural beauty, it is absolutely adorned on this sneaker. Look at that Air Trainer 1. As you can see from the box, that light smoke grey hits the toe, hits the upper, all the way through to the lateral and medial, and that light smoke grey is on that box, and this defines most of the sneaker. But with this you get that iridescent panel on the lateral and medial side. As you can see, that is absolutely pinging. As you can see, it's beautifully iridescent. There's so many variations of that color on that side panel, that literal reflection of perfection on that sneaker. And then you've got that green tick, and on the medial side another tick that gives you that Nike Air on the back, which is absolutely defines this back panel sneaker with that royal blue Nike Air on the back. And as you can see, it's mounted on this brown back panel with the tribal print that runs all the way through on the back, and that actual tribal print continues to the front toe all the way through. And then on the lateral side, you've got that brown panel that connects to that fabric strap, that toe strap that easily disconnects. And then as you can see on that strap, you've got that blue, royal blue beveling on that front, and that carries on through to the tongue. So much details guys. It carries on through to the tongue strap, and then it gives you another royal blue Nike on that tongue. There you go guys, that is absolutely gorgeous, that is absolutely beautiful. And as you can see, the two straps, the tongue strap and the toe strap, are totally different. This is more of a lilac, and it's more of a greeny vibe to that tongue strap, as you can see, and it is different, it's so different. And then you got lilac laces, it's almost like a light lilac lace or system on here, and that lilac hits that sole. Absolutely gorgeous, absolutely beautiful. I don't know the true name for this, but it looks lilac-y, looks very lilac-y, and that kind of hits a bit different on that sole, but mounted between the upper and the sole is this creamy midsole that runs all the way through, that connects to that front toe lilac midsole. It is such a gorgeous sneaker, so much detail on the sneaker. It is so different, absolutely different to the other two. The dark smoke grey is more dark base sneaker, the corianders is this browny earthy tone, and this is like a more grey, vibey, light smoke grey. This is why a lot of people got confused with the light smoke greys and the dark smoke greys, because when they looked up smoke greys, Air 21s, you got these, and this is why we got mixed up, or this is why I actually got mixed up with the light smoke greys, because the light smoke greys is on the box, that's the definition for most of the colorway, but this is actually the honeydew. Absolutely gorgeous, absolutely beautiful sneaker. And guys, like this sneaker, just a little detailing, even the tribal print on the actual lateral side, just right down here at the bottom, that tribal print carries on through, as you can see, through to the medial side right there. It's just little details, and that 3M is going to pop, it's just going to go ping in your eyesight when there is a flash, and it's going to go and highlight the sneaker. As I draw it back, as you can see, that tribal print is so distinctive, it is gorgeous. And I completed the trifecta. I completed the corianders and the dark smoke greys and the honeydews. That is 3 phenomenal Air Trainer 1s in the collection. So different in my collection, so different in my rotation, because I don't have Air Trainer 1s before the corianders, and secondly, I did not have a multi Swiss Army knife of a sneaker in my collection, and thirdly, it is so different. It is so different than anything I've got in my rotation, and variety is the key to success, because sometimes you have to have not just Jordans, not just Yeezys, but a collection or collective of other sneakers in your collection to make it a really good rotation. And this sneaker, the Air Trainer 1 SP Tribal Pack, and that's what I always call this, the Tribal Pack, is so good in that rotation, so different, so unique, because it brings something else to the plate, it brings something else to the street once you step out, and once people see you step out in something different that they don't normally concern themselves with. It is a matter of, wow, where did that come from? And secondly, the fit has to be on point. So I'm still looking for the perfect fit for the corianders. I've already got the fit for the dark smoke greys. This needs a special fit, trust me, this needs a special fit. But like I do on the channel, I'm going to give you that front perspective, that back perspective, and that booty shaking, that lateral side, that medial side, it is gorgeous. It is so gorgeous. And that sole, and you can see it is that beautiful, beautiful textured, beautiful, beautiful grip, beautiful, beautiful lilac. So beautiful, beautiful sneaker. And I'm going to give you that 360-degree rotation. Make that sneaker twirl in your hands and make that sneaker twirl in your feet. Absolutely beautiful, beautiful sneaker. Guys, these are still sitting. Corianders are still sitting. The dark smoke greys are still sitting. As you can see, I don't care if they're sitting. I will pick up the beautiful sneakers. I will pick up sneakers that I enjoy, and I will pick up sneakers that fascinate me. And this sneaker absolutely fascinates me. It is a gorgeous, gorgeous pair of sneakers. The Air Trainer 1. Welcome to the Air Trainer 1, guys. Welcome to the Air Trainer 1. What a introduction to that tribal pack. A gorgeous sneaker. As you can see, I walked into size and picked it up at 4 p.m. on Saturday on release day. They are still sitting. The corianders are still sitting. Might go on sale, but they're starting to vanish a bit. The dark smoke greys probably will go on sale, but they're starting to dissipate a bit. And then this is £135 retail, currently sitting in stores. This will definitely eventually disappear because it is such a unique colorway, such a different colorway, so many combination of colors. Even the corianders had a variety of colors, variety of earthy tone colors. The dark smoke gray had that yellow midsole that cut that black upper to the bottom, and then this is just so good. So good, absolutely beautiful sneaker. Like I said, it's retailing at 135 is not going to go above retail. You can go and still pick it up. You might be able to cop it under retail on StockX if you're willing to take the chance of getting it on StockX. But guys, if you like the sneaker, go and get it. It won't be around for long. I can't see it being around in summertime because these sneakers are definitely worth copping and wearing in the summer. And the reason why I say that is it's got different materials on this sneaker. You've got leather, you've got nubuck, and you've got that canvas ballistic mesh that runs on that toe. So it is a good sneaker to wear in the summertime, and this is why I've got these sneakers, because I'm going to try and wear them in the summer. And I totally forgot the insole. The insole is this creamy insole with that like lilac inner insole, and that Nike Air is that green Nike Air. It kind of, yeah, it's green, definitely green. It kind of resembles that creamy in a lining, but it's not really. It's kind of a lighter shade of that green that you see on the tick. And then at the back of this, to give it colors, guys, and that blue undertongue to give it that extra color. And as you can see, it's got that labeling inside. I've seen somebody switch out these laces for some blue laces to match the Nike Air on the back. That is kind of a good shout. But I do like the way it comes. I definitely do like the way it comes. And guys, gorgeous pair. If you want it, go and get it. Definitely is there for you to pick up. It's there in the shop. It was easy for me to pick up all three of these Air Trainer 1 SP. I'm going to call them the tribal packs because I've been calling them the tribal packs, but it's definitely easy cops. I actually walked into Sneakers and Stuff the other day. I had a conversation with a lady and she was basically saying they don't know why they're doing a draw for it because it's still going to sit in the store. So definitely go and pick them up if you like them, because it is a very good sneaker. Go and see it in hand. Sometimes it's good to see sneakers in hand and judge them, and if you like them, go and pick them up. If you don't like them, just leave them alone. But definitely, if you have a chance, get to the foot sites, go and see the Air Trainer 1 SPs or the Air Trainer 1 Tribal SPs, and just for yourself, guys. It is a gorgeous pair. This is why I picked up all three. This is why I had to go for the Trifecta, because it's just a nice sneaker to put on feet. Different varieties, as I said, but that is what the retail is. That's what the resale is doing. It's not going to do much. It's not going to go above retail. So go get your pairs. And I'm going to give this a 5 goats out of 5 because I think, to my personal taste, it is a beautiful, gorgeous sneaker. It is definitely a good completion to that pack. And shout out to Mr. Scott Simpson for always telling me it's always a pack, guys. It's always a pack when it comes identical to the other two in terms of silhouettes and the tribal print, but the colorway is all different. So that's the review, guys. Gorgeous sneaker, guys. I'm not even joking. No cap. For me personally, very good cop. But if you like it, you like it. If you don't, you don't. I don't mind. It's you all got your own taste. You all got your own styles. Express yourselves, be yourselves, and always cop what you like, and don't cop things that you don't like or what other people influence you to like, because be your own stylist, be your own creative person, be your own canvas, and be great. Always be great. But that's the review, guys. Hope you enjoyed the review. Hope you enjoyed the Air Trainer 1 Honeydew Air Trainer 1 collection of that tribal print. I might actually do a video to show you my best out of the 3, so stay tuned. I'm still thinking, maybe stay tuned. But hope you did enjoy it. Hope you do come back. Hope you keep supporting, because you guys keep showing me support. You guys keep showing me love, and I really do appreciate it. So thank you very much. But like I say at the end of the videos, hope you have an amazing week, amazing month, and an amazing year. And I hope you guys cop the sneakers you like, because you all deserve to get the sneakers you want. From me, TJ at LoveKicksCustom. Peace out for now, guys. Peace.